Alright guys, you might be wondering why Facebook has so much information, like adverts being very relevant to what you're doing, shopping, whatever. These are websites that are actually third party. In other words, there are other sites you've gone to and Facebook is getting information from them. So I'm going to show you how to switch that off. First thing is, on the top right, there's the three little arrows. Click on that. Then we want to go down to settings. I'll scroll from the top because I was halfway down there. Let's go. So we're going to go into settings. And we don't want account. We don't want security. We don't want privacy even. It's your Facebook information. It's funny how this doesn't even fall under the security or privacy, but it's because it's coming from other sites. So it's off Facebook activity, view or clear activity from businesses and organizations that you visit off of Facebook. And as you see in the middle here, well, mine at the top says your Facebook activity is turned off. But this bit in the middle will be where the websites probably are on yours. That's the websites you visit, and they basically give information to Facebook. And so the first thing you want to do is do a clear history. So you click on that one. Then go into more options. And you want to manage the future activity. They'll say how they're using it, but let's be honest, I don't think it all fits on one screen the way they conveniently do it here. But anyway, manage future activity. Future off Facebook activity. As you can see there, it's switched off. So you just flip that and that's it off. But I just thought I'd share that because I know some of you guys may be wondering why you get so many very, very relevant ads. It's because there are shops and stuff you've already been shopping at. Thanks for watching.